I'm super happy because doing this again. Last week people thought that I did good. Did okay-ish, alright? And then after the show, I swear to God this happened, 3 beautiful ladies came up to me, they bought me a beer, and one of them, I swear to God, one of them grabbed my fucking ass. They are, you know that, these three, middle-aged, yeah. And I get shocked, I swear to God, I got shocked. I'm a Muslim. And she grabbed my ass. I was super angry. I was thinking to myself, Astaghfirullah, why only 5 seconds? Why? She could have done another 5 seconds and I'll be finished. So. Yep. Anyway, thank you very much for coming, guys, and always coming. I'm super happy because today, after 30 years of living, finally, I can buy my own car, guys. So stop calling me Gojek driver. It's Uber now. Yeah, that's the thing. Super happy. I previously already have a girlfriend with me, and we are in a long-term relationship between me and my girlfriend. And I bought a very old car. I bought a very old BMW. The thing is, having an old car is pretty much the same with having a long-term relationship with my girlfriend. I swear to God, it's the same. I mean, like, you know, the maintenance cost is increasing. You know, like, it's getting more difficult to turn on. Sometimes it is better for me to rent. Alright, red flag, sorry. But yeah, I love them both. I love my girlfriend, I love my car. Sorry about it. The thing is, guys, I came from a very, remote village in Eastern Java, right? So, once I bought that car, suddenly I became the standard for my nephews and nieces back there. Right? Like in the last family gathering, my family said, "Oh, look at you, Fajar, you are very successful. You are very smart. Look at that, Uncle Fajar, hey. He lives in Bali, speaks English, driving his own car." Here's the thing, guys, If you live in Bali, speak English, and driving a car, that is actually pretty much standard for a go-kart driver, right? There is nothing to be over proud of, you know? I can be proud if I live in Bali, speaking English, driving my own car, and having a Russian girlfriend with me. That'll be awesome. And because of that, my family knew that I bought a new car, or whatever it is. Suddenly, in the last Eid Mubarak, the family gathering is changing, right? Since they assume that I earn car from doing stand-up comedy, they requested me to do the joke in the family gathering. Like, hey, Fajar, come here, do some jokes. That's not right. That's impolite. You cannot do that. I mean, I have a dentist nephew. I never did single once in my life. I never say, "Hey, Jason, come here, drill my teeth." I also have an uncle that used to work with circus. I never did, hey uncle, how are you? Come here, swallow this knife, yeah, You cannot do that. And then what I like from being with you guys, being my friends in Bali, is that you are supportive so much to me. You are very supportive. Like, hey Fajar, congratulations, you have a new car, even if it is as rusty as you are, but hey, come on, congratulations. They're supporting me, right? My parents, not so much, right? I sent the car's pictures to my mother and she said, when did you steal the car? I mean, like, I don't believe you, Fajar, because the only BMW you can afford is Hot Wheels, so this doesn't make any sense. And I just realized that there is this culture called bumper sticker. Remember? Bumper sticker or whatever it is. Since I'm a Muslim, I'm gonna change that culture, right? There is this sticker called honk if you love Jesus. In my case, bump if you love Allah. Another sticker. Real man uses 3 pedals. In my case, real men go to Palestine, whatever. I didn't say which side I am, okay? And do you know that in Indonesia there is this sticker called family sticker? Yeah. Oh, you know that. Family, what is that? Happy family shit or whatever. Mom, dad, daughter, son, dog, cat, fish, lizard, whatever. In my case, it will be much different. It's going to be me, my wife, my wife, my wife, my wife,